Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Venta De Devolutions is probably one of the most exciting shopping experiences you can have. It's a treasure trove of returned items, offering incredible value and the thrill of the hunt. But before you dive in, let's explore what makes Venta De Devolutions so unique and how you can navigate this world to find the best deals and avoid any potential pitfalls. Number 5. Amazon EGIFT Card, Digital Delivery. Looking for the perfect gift? This is it. It's a convenient and versatile choice for anyone. This gift card has no expiration date and carries no fees. It's a worry-free gifting option that lasts. You can choose from various designs and denominations. This flexibility makes it suitable for any occasion and budget. The recipient can redeem it for millions of items on Amazon.com and affiliated websites. It offers a vast selection of products. It's available for immediate delivery, or you can schedule it up to a year in advance. This makes it easy to plan ahead. Please note that there are no returns or refunds on this gift card. It can only be used to purchase eligible goods and services on Amazon.com and certain related sites. For gift cards on other Amazon sites, please visit Amazon.ca, Amazon.cn, Amazon.fr, Amazon.de, Amazon.in, Amazon.it, Amazon.co.jp, Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.es, or Amazon.com.au. What we like? This gift card is perfect for those last-minute presents. It's delivered instantly, so you don't have to worry about shipping times. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile gift option, this is the way to go. What people say. Delivery is instant, redemption is simple, and it gives total freedom to choose exactly what they want. Delivery is truly instant, whether by email or text, and the customization options make it feel more personal. The recipient can use it immediately, and the code always arrives clearly formatted and easy to redeem. Number 4. 64 ounces low-profile blender pitcher. This is the perfect companion for your blender. It's designed for hot soups, dips, and large batches of food. You'll love how easy it is to use. This pitcher is compatible with a wide range of blenders, including classic and commercial series models. If you're unsure, just ask us. It's the perfect addition to your kitchen. Made from BPA-free material, this container is safe and healthy. It can withstand extreme temperatures and is built to last. It's the best choice for your blending needs. The upgraded design includes an openable lid, ergonomic handle, and clear measurements. The new nylon base reduces noise, and the stainless steel blades pulverize food easily. It's designed for your convenience. This low-profile container stores easily and is great for large batches. It can even make steaming hot soup in minutes. We believe this will be the last container you'll ever need. We recommend hand washing, but it's easy to clean. Just add warm water and detergent. Proper care will extend its life. It's designed to make your life easier. We've upgraded the handle, base, bearings, and lid for even better performance. The laser-cut blades provide the best crushing effect. It's the best choice for you. What we like? This blender pitcher is built to last. With a 10-year warranty, you can rest assured that it's a reliable kitchen companion. Its BPA-free material ensures your food is safe and healthy. If you are a smoothie enthusiast or love making soups, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This blender pitcher works like the original. It fits perfectly into my blender. It is light, easy to clean and offers good value for my money. This new pitcher boasts a larger capacity than my original, which is a definite advantage. Additionally, it cleans exceptionally easily and quickly, making it ready for immediate reuse. Number 3. Rapthor 2800 mAh Xbox Controller Battery Pack. Tired of constantly replacing batteries? This rechargeable battery pack offers up to 25 hours of playtime on a single charge. It keeps you gaming longer without interruption. This battery pack offers 3 charging ports, Type-C, micro USB, and adapter charging. You can charge it in multiple ways, making it convenient for any setup. It also has safety features to prevent overcharging. Designed for longevity, this battery pack can be recharged up to 2,000 times. It's a durable and cost-effective solution for your gaming needs. It is compatible with multiple Xbox consoles. Need a quick charge? It takes only 2.5 hours to fully charge the batteries. The indicator light turns green when charging is complete, so you know when it's ready to go. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Our customer support is available 24 hours a day to help you. Contact us anytime for assistance. What we like. This battery pack offers extended playtime, so you can game for hours without interruption. With multiple charging options, it's incredibly convenient to keep it powered up. If you're a serious gamer who values convenience and extended play sessions, you should consider this. What people say. These batteries last a long time before having to recharge, giving you endless hours of gameplay without the headache of losing your controller in the middle of gaming. The charger itself also seems to charge quicker than all the other chargers I have previously owned, giving you a constant backup battery charged and ready to go. They came pre-charged, nice, and they last forever on each charge, awesome. Number 2. Glamorstar Corset Belt, Wide Elastic Waspie Belt. Introducing the Glamorstar Corset Belt. This stylish accessory is designed to enhance your figure. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. The wide elastic design of this belt ensures a comfortable fit. It cinches your waist, creating a flattering silhouette. You'll love how it looks and feels. Featuring a tied waspie design, this belt adds a unique touch. The lace-up detail allows for adjustable sizing. It's a versatile piece for your wardrobe. Crafted from quality materials, this leather waist belt is durable and chic. The lace-up feature adds a fashionable element. It's a must-have accessory. This belt is ideal for accentuating dresses. It defines your waist and elevates your look. Wear it to your next special occasion. What we like. This corset belt is designed to cinch your waist and enhance your silhouette. The lace-up detail adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish accessory. If you like to add a touch of glamour to your outfits, this is a great choice. What people say. It was not suffocating. It completed the look I was aiming for. It fit perfectly. Exactly my size. Very comfortable. And looks great. Number 1. In the Nightside Eclipse. This is a great album. It's a classic in its genre, and many people love it. The music is very atmospheric and the vocals are very powerful. It's a must-have for fans of the genre. The album is a masterpiece of its kind. It's a must-listen for anyone interested in this type of music. It's a very influential album. It has inspired many other artists. The album is a great listen from start to finish. It's a very enjoyable experience. What we like. This album is a classic of the genre. If you are looking for a masterpiece of black metal, this is the way to go. What people say. Great double-sided poster and a beautiful vinyl. This is an amazing CD to have for your collection. The music reeks of musicality and theory knowledge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.